Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 8 from this light and stable platform for trade BOUSDT.org. If you want to register, go to the mine and click recharge. From here you can recharge in this platform. Copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance and send the money to this address, TRC20 network. After you send the money, click this. You can see minimum deposit 10 TRX or 10 USDT everyone. I'll explain how to trade in this platform. Click this. There are two groups, 4 plans for trade, 5 minutes and 1 minute. You will see link group 5 minutes in the description of the video everyone. I will go to the group. Like we see, this is the group, and when you see this it is lose, and when you see this it is win. This is big now. I will go to the platform and click buy. I will choose big, like we see, and I will trade with 5 TRX, like we see. Confirm trade. We're waiting this time to finish everyone. Waiting me. Like we see everyone, it is lose everyone. The second it is single. I will go to the platform and click buy and choose, like we see, single. I will trade now with 10 TRX. Click confirm and trade. We're waiting this time to finish again. Like we see everyone, I lose again. I will go to the group. Like we see, I lose. Another small. I will go to the platform and click buy and choose small. But this time I will trade with 30 TRX. Like we see. Confirm trade. Waiting this time to finish everyone. Like we see everyone, I win and my amount increased everyone. I will go to withdraw and show you how to withdraw. Click this. Before I click this, I will update the page to see my income. See everyone. I will click withdraw. After that, I will put my address while TRC20 there and the amount and click withdraw. Like we see, minimum withdraw 10 TRX or 10 USDT. Waiting me. Like we see everyone, this is my withdrawal number 8 from this platform. I deposit just 50 TRX and I win all this amount everyone. I'm waiting to write successful. After that will arrive to my wallet in 1 second everyone. Waiting me. Like we see everyone, it is successful and the withdrawal arrived directly to my wallet. I will show you my wallet. Like we see the time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second will arrive to your wallet. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like for trade, like BOUSDT.org, and you will see link register with all details and link groups for 5 minutes and 1 minute in the description of the video everyone. Deposit and start trade with me. Good luck everyone.